How to amplify the music that you're playing through a speaker, headphones, earphones, and even noise reduction with a mic connected to your Samsung Galaxy phone. Today we'll be looking at the Sound Amplifier by Google. It's a free app and go ahead and try it out. You have nothing to lose, just uninstall it if you don't like it. And once you have it installed, let's go ahead and dive right into it. So the app basically lets you have it as part of the settings in your phone itself once it's installed. And you also get an app icon that looks like this here. Now, when you go into it for the very first time, you will notice that you cannot switch on to the phone mic and the media, and that's because you need to have something connected to it. It can be a Bluetooth speaker, a wired earphones to your phone itself, or headset, or Bluetooth earphones, either one of them. So for the most part, when it's off, it's gonna look like this here. When you first go into it, you will be prompted to give it permission to access certain features. And for the mic, if you're in the mic section here, this is going to be for whether your speaker has a mic in it or your headset. And the noise reduction, you can actually hear yourself when you have this thing turned on. But my speaker doesn't really work too well for that speaker part in terms of the mic. But the media part is what we're all here for. So once you get the phone media to turn on, sometimes it might be a bit on the buggy side, and I'll go ahead and play a song quickly just to let you hear the differences and you can decide whether or not this is right for you. All right, so I got my Street Fighter awesomeness here. So adjust your volume, I'll press play. So this is with the boost. So without the boost, and you can hear the difference. So you can clearly hear like the increase in clarity, which makes it sound like it's getting louder, and it's just basically amplifying the sound, making it clear for you to hear it better, right? So it's a pretty cool app. Try it out. Let me know in the comments section. And of course, if you don't like it, you can uninstall it and like and sub.